Today, we're diving into the world of mobile customization. While KWGT is a popular tool for Android users to create their own unique widgets, we'll explore how iOS users can achieve a similar level of personalization. KWGT, Custom Widget Maker, is an application that allows Android users to create personalized widgets for their home screens. While it's primarily for Android, you might be referring to using KWGT widgets on iOS through various workarounds or similar applications. The best iOS alternatives focus on customization, enabling users to design unique app icons, widgets, and layouts. Apps like Widgetsmith, Color Widgets, and Widgerido allow iOS users to personalize their home screens by creating custom widgets that display information, aesthetics, and functionalities according to user preferences. In essence, KWGT serves as a powerful tool for Android customization, while iOS offers its range of apps to achieve similar personalized widget experiences. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of customization options for iOS inspired you to personalize your home screen. See you in the next video.